Okay, students, in previous class we have already known to write down the dimensional formula of different derived quantities. Okay, now let us take some other physical derived quantity and try to write down the dimension of those. At first we take the derived quantity moment here, okay, and try to write down the dimensional formula of moment. What we know, moment is what? That is force into perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance. Okay. Then we have already derived the dimension of force. That was what? Mass into acceleration into for force, mass into acceleration. Now perpendicular distance. This is what? Distance. That means in terms of length. Physical quantities, fundamental physical quantity, that is in terms of length. Then write down the dimensional formula of this. Then for mass, what we write? M to the power 1. There is mass, the power is 1. Then acceleration, what is it? That is L to the power 1, T to the power minus 1. Distance by time square. And length, what is this? This is L to the power 1. Now mix up it, combine it, then what is that? M to the power 1, L to the power 1 plus 1 and T to the power minus 2. Okay? M to the power 1, nothing, nowhere there is M. L to the power 1, here L to the power 1, and these two are added, and here only T to the power minus 2. Nowhere power of T is available, that is T to the power minus 2. Now this becomes M to the power 1, L to the power 2, T to the power minus 1. Finally, this is the dimensional formula of moment. Now write on the, try to write on the momentum. Dimensional formula of momentum. How we define this thing? Momentum. That is what? Mass into velocity. Okay? All of you know this definition, mass into velocity. Then what is the dimension of mass? That is m to the power what? There is mass, then power is 1. Velocity. What is velocity? Power 1. Velocity. Velocity is L to the power 1, T to the power minus 1. Okay. Now combine it. Here M to the power 1, L to the power 1, T to the power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula of what? Momentum. Okay. Now try to write down the dimensional formula of impulse. Impulse. How we define impulse? What is impulse? That is force multiplied by a short duration, means time. Okay? Force multiplied by time, that is impulse. Then write down the dimensional formula of this. Force was what? We have already taken this thing, mass into acceleration. Then mass is what? m1. Acceleration is L1 to the power minus 2. This is for m L to the power 1, T to the power 1. This is the dimension of force, and the dimension of time is what? T to the power 1. Obviously only t time, then power t. Now combine it, that is m to the power 1, l to the power 1, t to the power minus 2 plus 1. Okay, then this is what? M to the power 1, L to the power 1, T to the power minus 2 plus 1, that is minus. Okay, are you getting? आ रहा है ना समझ में? Then now come, let us थोड़ा सा इसको इरेज कर देते हैं. अब आइए आप, suppose we are interested in finding out the dimensional formula of stress. Stress, how we define stress? That is force per unit area. Okay, force is what? We have already write down. We have already written down the dimension of force. That is what? Here, m to the power 1, l to the power 1, and t to the power minus 2. Okay, m to the power 1, l to the power 1, t to the power minus 1. That is the dimension of force. Now take area. Area is what? Length square. That is l to the power 2. Now combine it. M is only 1 available here. M to the power 1. L is m to the power 1. L is available here, that is with 1, and here power is 2, that will be obviously minus 2, and this is now what? That is 2. Okay, then this becomes m to the power 1, l to the power how much? 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, and t to the power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula of stress. Okay, now take the case of another quantity, derived quantity. Let us take the case of strain. Strain is defined. How we define strain? We define change in length divided by original length. Okay, original length. Okay, then what is the dimension of change in length? Change in length will be what? That will be the length, है ना? Length minus length, that means length. So here the dimension of length will be what? That will be L to the power how much? 1. And this is original length. Original length again in L to the power. Okay. Then here what? We get 1. If we combine these two, L to the power 1 minus 1, that is L to the power 0. Or we can write m to the power 0, L to the power 0, and t to the power 0. There is no fundamental quantity available here, no m, no l, no t. Then this type of dimension is known as dimensional. This quantity will be known as dimensionless. इसका डायमेंशन ही नहीं है, तो इसको क्या कहेंगे? Strain will be said to be dimensionless quantity. Which type of quantity strain is? Strain is dimensionless quantity. Okay. Okay. Now we will meet in next class. Here I stop.